how were you able to do the transition?
One of the biggest things that helped was that I was actually working from home.
We can never buy time back.
Yes.
We can learn and grow, but we can never buy any minute back. It doesn't matter how much money we have.
Yes, that's
and
right.
And because I know that, I'm like, I cannot waste any more time.
Yeah. I love that quote that says, fortune favors the brave. And I think that's exactly what you did.
So Juan, throughout the process, you mentioned a little bit, what keep you motivated? Is it because the way you grew up, the way you grew up with your parents working, on the heat and doing the minimum wage activity? Does that motivate you to do things differently than what your parents did back then? Where is the transition there?
Yeah, definitely. My focus is to do things differently than what my parents did, for sure. But as I've learned what real estate investing can do for my family, for my generations, it really has given us the opportunity to now raise our children differently, so that our grandchildren, great-grandchildren, and everyone else after that has a completely different mindset.
And when I say anyone can become a real estate investor, regardless where they come from, regardless how much money they have on their bank account or their credit score, unfortunately, the majority of the people does not know the opportunity that we are talking about. So I really hope to change as many people's life, because real estate has that power. But I do believe we are changing our generation for sure. And I try to say to as many people as possible, just go and explore, go learn a little bit.
Right.
Regardless of which stage you are in your career. Is that part of what keeps you motivated as well?
Yeah, for sure. It definitely does. I mean, I want my children to know that they have a completely different future in front of them.
And have you found out what are you really good at it?
Yeah, so I really love to network. I love connecting with people. I love meeting new people. And so through that comes the opportunity of business.